Let's cut across now to the first reaction coming in from Priyanka Gandhi Vadra on the allegations that the BJP has been levelling off Sonia Gandhi's link to George Soros. Priyanka has dismissed these allegations, saying it's the most ridiculous thing that I have heard. She's also alleging that there's absolutely no evidence for the BJP to go ahead with this claim that Sonia Gandhi is linked to a firm that is linked to George Soros. Listen in to Priyanka Gandhi's first reaction. Okay, we'll play that out for you in just a bit. For the first time, you've got a response coming in from the Gandhis on the BJP going all guns blazing over these allegations that Sonia Gandhi is the co-president of a firm that's linked to George Soros. Priyanka Gandhi has dismissed this at a time, and remember, Priyanka and Rahul have been out there non-stop protesting on the issue of Adani, demanding answers from the BJP. At such a time, Priyanka Gandhi now has in fact hit out at the BJP, saying that the reason that this entire controversy, according to her, is being manufactured, being put out, is to ensure that the House is stalled, that there is no business and proceedings do not take place in either the Lok Sabha or the Rajya Sabha. It's an issue that the BJP has raised also in both the houses, which has led also to it being adjourned for the day. You'll see both houses only commencing now tomorrow as a result of this war of words over Soros, over Adani and whatnot. The first reaction that's coming in from Priyanka Gandhi right now. Rahul Gautam is with us on this. Rahul, you've got the Congress very clearly saying that, look, there's no evidence, there's no proof that the BJP has been able to produce.
Well, absolutely, and this is this is first reaction that has come in from Gandhi family. Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi rejected all these allegations outrightly, saying that there is no such evidence linking Sonia Gandhi with George Soros, and whatever BJP is saying is absolutely bogus and baseless. So clearly,
stay
it
with
seems
me. Let's
that
just play out now Priyanka Gandhi's reaction. We've got that now.
The most ridiculous thing they could come up with. They're talking about some 1994. Nobody has any record of it. I don't know what they're talking. Nobody knows what they're talking about. The only reason they're doing it is they do not want to discuss Adani. ये जानते हैं कि घूस दिया गया है. ये जानते हैं कि आज देश की जनता तरस रही है. जो बिजली के बिल उनको आ रहे हैं, लोगों को गरीब लोग हैं, वो दे नहीं पा रहे हैं. और इतने बड़े-बड़े बिल आ रहे हैं क्योंकि इन लोगों ने घूस खाई है. और ये जानते हैं कि इस पर बहस नहीं कर सकते. इसलिए छिप रहे हैं. इसलिए रोज कोई ना कोई बहाने ये सदन को बंद कर रहे हैं. The most ridiculous thing they could come up with. They're talking about some 1994. Nobody has any record of it. I don't know what they're talking. Nobody knows what they're talking about. The only reason they're doing it is they do not want to discuss Adani. ये जानते हैं कि घूस दिया गया है. ये जानते हैं कि आज देश की जनता तरस रही है. जो बिजली के बिल उनको आ रहे हैं, लोगों को गरीब लोग हैं, वो दे नहीं पा रहे हैं. और इतने बड़े-बड़े बिल आ रहे हैं क्योंकि इन लोगों ने घूस खाई है. और ये जानते हैं कि इस पर बहस नहीं कर सकते. इसलिए छिप रहे हैं. इसलिए रोज कोई ना कोई बहाने ये सदन को बंद कर रहे हैं.
So you heard there from Priyanka Gandhi, as she's said very clearly that this is a non-issue that's being raised by the BJP. And this now seems to be the opposition's line, Rahul. The Gandhi siblings are maintaining that the only ones who are disrupting the House, not allowing it to function, is the BJP.
Well, this is the same charge that Congress MPs are making, that that the BJP is trying to appropriate Gautam Adani's issue with George Soros issue, which they are saying is absolutely bogus and baseless. It is just being used as treasury benches to divert the attention from Gautam Adani issue, and they don't really have any evidence to prove any link. In fact, now they are quoting Mediapart, publication house, which has now come up, with a rebuttal in a say, saying that that whatever the ruling party in India is saying, that it is absolutely not substantiative, and they would want them not to politicize the entire matter. So clearly, the opposition MPs are trying to create this narrative that this is being used, the very issue of George Soros, only to dilute the issue of Gautam Adani, which they believe is actually a more contentious and more burning issue for people to discuss. And because the government is not willing to have a discussion on the issue of Gautam Adani, and that's why they are trying to bring in the issue of George Soros, just to deflect the criticism, just to deflect the attention of the people from this main issue. But it seems that, I was telling you earlier also, it's a clash of issues versus issues. BJP is propping the issue of of George Soros, clearly maintaining that that the Gandhi family or the Congress party has links with those people who wants to destabilize Indian government here in our country. Yeah. At the same time, the Congress and opposition MPs are saying that Gautam Adani is being shielded by the incumbent government.
So it's essentially these two names that are dominating Parliament right now, Gautam Adani and George Soros. Thanks very much, Rahul, for joining us with all of those details. First reaction that's come in now from Priyanka Gandhi on the entire controversy connecting Sonia Gandhi to George Soros that the BJP is alleging.